Good morning, third grade. It's Monday the 23rd, and this is your overall introduction to your lessons today. We're going to start with religion, and you're going to do the chapter review in your textbook. Okay? The pages are on my teacher page. Once you've finished that, and you can go back and look in the chapter if you're having trouble finding one of the answers. I think you'll be okay, though. And after you're all done with that, you're going to go in your religion folder and you are going to pull out your Stations of the Cross coloring booklet. For today, you're just going to color the cover. We're going to start working on this station by station tomorrow, but so you're ready to go, you're just going to color the cover today. That's it for religion. Then we have math. Okay, so for math, you're going to work again in your 19-1 packet. Okay, you're going to work a little bit on division, and there's videos for you to watch, and then there's an IXL lesson too, and that's on my teacher page. You can go to 85%, you don't have to go to 100%. Just want to make sure we're practicing, okay? After that, you have language arts, and you are going to take that opportunity to get out your notebook, and this is the final day for your volcano writing. On my plan, it says that once you're all done and you have made your final copy, that you can ask your parents if they want to videotape you reading it and send it to me. I just want to say that your parents may have to work and they may not be able to take time to do that right now. So please try to understand if they're busy, and I would like to say that it can be any time. It doesn't have to be today at language arts time. If there's time maybe in an evening someday, you could ask, is this a good time that we could maybe videotape my volcano writing and send it to Mrs. Hurd and see? And if the answer is no, that's fine. But today is the last day. You're going to finish writing. You're going to make your final copy nice and neat in your notebook, cursive handwriting. Don't forget to indent your paragraph, okay? Then you have library. You're going to go to Mrs. Steffens' teacher page and check out what she has for you. In word study today, you are going to get started. Check your sort. I put a little link where you can check and make sure your sort is correct in your notebook. We want to make sure it's correct. Then you're going to get out your packet, make sure you're on list 1 and that you're doing packet 1, even though it's cut off up top here. You're only doing the first page of this, and then you're going to get out your word study notebook and you are going to pick out the words, the 10 hardest words, the ones that are giving you trouble. If none of them are giving you trouble, then just pick 10 words, and I want you to write 10 sentences in cursive using your words in your notebook, okay? Kind of like we would do at space stations, but in your notebook, okay? All right, when you're done that, you're done with word study for the day. Then you're going to do a little bit of grammar work. We're going to work on linking verbs. You're going to work in your workbook. And you need to watch the video link on my teacher page first before you do this, okay? Because you're going to make a list of linking verbs with the video, and then you're going to use that list to do the activity in here. So that's grammar. Then we go on to language arts with reading. You're going to need your novel. You are going to correct your vocabulary study from your packet in your folder. There's a link and you can check it on my teacher page. Make sure you did it correctly. We can't do the last question, the extra at the bit yet. That's okay. You can check the rest. Then you're going to read some pages in here up to page 77. And then you have another YouTube video to watch because I haven't lost my mind, but you are going to do math during language arts. There's a part in your novel that talks about elapsed time. Jamie brings up 2 problems. So you are going to watch the video. We're going to work through them together. We're going to practice elapsed time. And then you are going to need your math workbook to do some practice on time. Okay, this will be a little simpler. This will be more like just time review. The elapsed time is a little more difficult, so we do that together with the video, okay? And then your last assignment for today is science. We're still working on simple machines. Today we are doing the wheel and axle. Let me just make sure that's what we're doing. Yes. So you'll watch your video, you will go on a hunt. You're going to learn a little bit about a spring scale today, too, from the video, and put that in your notebook. And then you are also going to need this. And I explain more on my teacher page, but you have to read through this. You have to read the bold words from the glossary and get the definitions as you go. And you're also going to highlight anytime that there's a mention of a simple machine on the page, you're going to highlight. If you don't have your highlighter at home, you're going to underline. Okay, that is just an overview. All of the details and page numbers are on my teacher page. Okay, if you have any questions, ask your parents to email me. And good luck with it today, and I hope you enjoy your day. And don't forget your acts of kindness for Lent. I'm sure you're doing a great job with that because you're all so wonderful. And I will see you soon. Goodbye.